Morning guys, Jade from Jade's Fluid Art. Doing a big one today again. It's going to be a 30 by 40 inch. It is very early here this morning. It's only about 7 o'clock in the morning. Show you my colours. I have got today Alizaran Crimson Hue from Golden. I've used this for the first time. This is FW, so Dale Rowney, and it was a gorgeous colour. It's called Shimmering Red. There was nothing red about it. So I added some Deco Art metallics in Mink Pearl, and this is what I ended up with. I'm not too sure with the lighting if you can see these. Almost like a fawn colour. So my consistency today is extremely thin. It's just going straight back in. And I've done that for a reason, a couple of reasons actually. One, I want this to run fast off the canvas. I'm going for a minimalist look, hopefully, with a lot of negative space of white. We'll see. So that's the mixture. This is the Alizaran Crimson Hue. Again, not red. I'm not sure what colour you would call it. It's kind of like a, maybe a bit of a purpley colour. Gorgeous colour, but I don't know what you could describe it as. Alright, and just my black and my white. So I've already pre-painted this just with acrylic paint. I'm not doing any traditional pour, so there's no flip cup, there's no ring pour. There's no puddle pour. I want kind of like more of an abstract look. So I'm going to do a base coat. See how thin that was? Just poured straight out. So even though I've done a base coat of white, I still want to have the fresh coat down so that the paint has something to move off of, or move along with. And there is something in there. Let me just quickly finish this. So it's going to be a thin base layer. A little bit more. Alright, I just paused you while I just finished the bottom coat. So, I'm not doing anything specific, it's going to be quite random. I'm just going to do some swirlies. don't want a lot of black. I don't want the black to take over. And because it's going to move quite fast. Black. And I'm going to just put a bit more white around it. So just minimalist. I'll do different order as well on each one. No idea what this is going to turn out like. Not that we ever do with a paint pour, do we? So this is the first time I'm using the Golden's High Flow, which is another reason why it's also so thin. When I mixed up that other paint, the FW, it was just, there was no colour, absolutely no colour at all. When I mixed it in with the pouring medium, it was just the colour of the pouring medium. Interested to see what this is going to turn out like. So we're just playing today. No real thought. Because it's so early, my lighting isn't great. I'm not sure how well you're picking the colour up, but it's just gorgeous. So I'd be interested to see how this one dries, having the two colours mixed in. And just a little tiny, just a tiny. I know I said I wanted negative space, but I'm a bit worried there's not enough. I'll just add this on. I do love painting with this size canvas. I prefer a bigger canvas. Let me know if you've ever used that FW. It's an acrylic ink. So leave a comment and let me know if you've used it before. I haven't used either of those paints before. Right, hopefully we've got enough on here. It's literally going to be a really simple tilt. Just off to each corner and that's it. I'm not going to try and manipulate it a certain way. I'm just going for random. Love it just as it is. I could just leave it like this. I don't know when to stop, guys. like there's enough. Alright, let's move these out of the way. Just going to pop some bubbles. I'm not using my torch today. I'm going to try my heat gun. See? Maybe 2. Just moving the paint just a tiny bit. So hopefully that's a sign there's enough on there. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Did just see a little hair. Cute. Alright, let's go for it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Don't know how to do it. Oh wow. Loving it, loving it. Oh. Guys, these colours are gorgeous together. I'm just going to bring it back to the middle for a second. Bring it right back. And now I'm going to go back over to that top corner. I think I had just the perfect amount of paint, really. Sorry, I know it's not all in frame. Just do that bottom corner a bit more. I'll bring it back. Oh, guys, this is just gorgeous. I'm going to do a hard tilt. I think I've got enough. So I've got my negative space. Brilliant. Bringing it back to the bottom. Oh, this is my absolute favourite of anything I've done. Oh wow. You know when you look at something and you go, oh my god, I created that. This is one of those moments. maybe another one. I don't like to use tweezers just because I think it brings up too much of the paint. There we go. Alright, one quick dash of the heat on. So you don't want to hover in one place too long, just because it needs the heat obviously. Oh, wish you could see the true colour of this. Oh, I've just had another hair. Alright guys, we're done. Let's see if I can do this without ruining the... Perfect. Alright, let me bring it in. Oh, I'm in love. Just going to take a picture. Alright, let me bring you in. Alright. I'll bring down close. Hope I'm not shaking too much. This is just stunning. Ah, love it. All right. Oops, sorry. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I will show you the dried result. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Okay, as promised, here is the finished result. Love it. Just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Bring you in. So that Alizaran Red did dry red. It's not a deep red, but that's my favourite one. I just love all the squiggles. Dried absolutely beautifully. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.